Hello friends, welcome to another Inkscape tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import an image in Inkscape. So first, you go to File menu here, and from there open. You also can press Command and O from your keyboard to import an image. And then choose the file you want to import, and then open. Hit OK. So here we have the image. Alternatively, you also can drag and drop the image to Inkscape. Let's say I want to do it here. Alright, here it is. So friends, this is how you simply can open an image in Inkscape. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching.